Hello, welcome to Wolfe Chevrolet. Today we're going to be looking at this 2015 Ram 1500 Sport. It comes equipped with a 5.7 liter V8 Hemi engine paired to an 8-speed automatic transmission. Other amenities included such as tubular running boards, UConnect 8.4 inch touchscreen, aftermarket wheels, trailer brake controller, and so much more. Come check it out. Alright, moving on to the interior, we're going to have this all black interior with paneling cup holder stored on the bottom here. You're going to have the speakers right next to there, as well as the power locks, mirrors, and windows. The chrome accent handle. And these black tubular running boards here as well. You can have these vinyl leather perforated seats. It's pretty comfortable. Left side, you'll have your ventilation and lighting controls. On the left side of the steering wheel here will be your voice recognition and odometer switch. On the right side will be your cruise control and the gear control. So here in the odometer, you can pretty much see all your vehicle information, including your vehicle info, your gauges, as well as you can access fuel economy, trip A, trip B, and as well as your audio, stored messages, and just your screen setup. Here, classic key, classic shifter, and onto the infotainment system. Pretty straightforward. You're just gonna have Bluetooth connectivity. You can see you're gonna have your mirror dimmer and your other settings, and as well as all your climate control would be right here, and just regular Bluetooth connectivity, like I said, and just other settings as well. More of your climate control, you're gonna have your tow and haul mode, as well as your traction control, and the center console, more cup holder and storage, and the double center console with 2 more USB ports and an SD card reader. Passenger side's manually adjustable, same leather vinyl finish, black and chrome across, vents and speakers up top. You're gonna have that Ram badge right there, and here you can access your reading lamps and your power rear sliding window. So you're gonna have these 20-inch aftermarket wheels on Mjolnir Anvil RT tires here. You're gonna have paint match mirror caps and door handles as well. And come to the back, you're gonna have the In2's tonneau cover, dual exhaust, trailer hitch just on the bottom. No spray and bed liner, but you're gonna have around 4 or 5 bed tie downs in the back there. It's a very spacious rear. And moving on to the rear interior, more paneling, storage on the bottom next to the speakers, power windows with the chrome handle again. Back, pretty decent legroom, storage behind the passenger and driver's side, with rear ventilation and 12-volt DC port, cup holder on the bottom, cup holder and armrest right there, lamps and hooks, as well as some storage, foldable seats, and then you got the handles on the side. Alright, well, thank you so much for tuning in today here at Wolfe Chevrolet as we checked out this 2015 Ram 1500 Sport. It comes equipped with a 5.7 liter Hemi V8 engine, as well as aftermarket wheels and tires, tubular running boards, touchscreen, as well as cruise control, and so much more. Thank you so much for watching today. We hope to subscribe, and we hope to see you at Chevy Farm very soon.